guys, Tiny1 here with another Minecraft video. Today we're joined by Steve, and Steve. Okay, let's get straight into the game. We've got no time to lose. Right guys, straight back into the first game of this video. Okay. Yes, I can win this. If these random lag spikes don't happen, like that one. Whoa! Look at that reach! Look at that reach! That guy had reach. Oh my gosh. Oh guys, we'll see in the next game. Right guys, we're back. I'm the guy called Hacks and Shots. I knew he was hacking, but I had a long conversation with him. Yeah, he just didn't admit it. But I have a video of him with that reach of reachiness. Cutting in the morning is so hard. I'm tired. What are you doing? You can drink your granite, I want to sew actually. And this is gonna. Please don't die. Please don't die. Die, sir. Yes. Okay. We're ready. Just slapping your feet on the floor. Guess. We go to middle. Look at that guy at middle. Bull spammer. Why you gotta bone me? Me of all people. Okay, wait now. Someone's still trying to kill me actually. We're dead. Man. Alright, we'll see you in the next game. Alright guys, we're back for another game. Oh, that game, that shot us off. Guys, we're gonna make a complaint, right? We want to stop all boost spamming. Boost spamming is annoying, and we want to stop all of it. So, stop. They've got to put a time on the boost, man. Jeeps. This guy. Even serious. Ow. Bruno. What do you want? Up. We'll see you in the next game, guys. Guys, I'm sucking today. We are bad at PvP. We're not that good, but we are good. You know, to win the Skywars game. I did record a win, but then I didn't upload it. I will not beat this guy. Telling you guys. Yes! Regen push up. We have a chance. Please don't fail parkour. If y'all don't notice yet, I suck at bridging and parkour. Ow! Ow! In my last video I tried to parkour, but I failed massively. Ow! Just leave me alone, man. GBs. Whoa, this guy comes from behind, man. Whoop. See you in the next game. Alright guys, we're back in this map. I like this map actually. Boop 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 boop. Where's our chest plate piece? I want the diamond pants. I'll take that. Let's get straight to middle, guys. That's the plan. That's the dream. That's a dream. To middle. Hype, hype, hype. Hey, what are you doing? Come back here. Stop running. I'm not. Oh well, we'll just leave that guy. Let him be. Not that good, sir. Could have beat me. You too. Why is everyone running? I'm blocking stuff. Literally stop running. Yes, fight. Fight me like a man. Whoa, another guy. Clean up crew. Could have beaten another guy. But this other guy comes and decides to come and kill me. Cause I was killing the other guy and I was low. But we got out of it. Let's not kill this guy when he's low, huh? The guy who came for the cleanup. Oh no no no. Oh, it's a stupid lava. Put yourself in lava. Part 5 game, huh? Projectiles. Oh, disgusting. Might actually win this one. Then we're going to so well. Look, another guy down there. Guy on the bottom of the swimsuit. Don't you know your Minecraft logic? Stop running, everyone. No. Like, stop. Where's this other guy? Man, I'm not bridging to him. Cause if you know me, I get hit off all the time. But we're running out of time in the video. Oh, okay, I'll use my editing skills. Yes! Fight me! Fight me! Yes! We win! Alright guys, we won. We'll see you in the solo. Let's go. Alright guys, we're in the solo. Let's roll. So. What do we get? I don't know. We've got Ender Mastery and a bag of coins. Alright, this just brings us to the end of this video. See you in the next one, guys. Goodbye. Yeah.